Hello everybody. So how to use a C compiler in Visual Studio. Okay, so here I use 2022 version. So let's start the program, and I create a new project. So here there is this list. So we want to compile C. So we have C++, but inside C++ we can write C code. Okay, so we choose C++. So there is many kind of programs we can create. Okay, so but here in the tutorial we just use a console application. Okay, so here you would choose where you put this application. C example. So I put it in the desktop. That's my project name, and I create. So Visual Studio always gives you this example when you create a console application. Okay, so let's create that. Let's write that code. So I have already write this code, which just sorts this array. Okay, so now how to run this. So here we have this debug option and release. So I choose to use the release. So this is in this video so that's not our in our video here we don't focus the difference between release and debug. So we just use a release for now, and you can run it. Okay, so that's the array, and here that's the sorted array. If you want to use your program, so that's our program here. So just go to you find here x64, because here we choose that our program is for 64-bit machines. Okay, and here we choose release. Here that's release. So inside that release here, that's our program. Okay, when we run it, so the program ran as well. Okay, so that's it. I thank you for watching my video. I hope that you like my video, and thank you for watching.